In this lecture we'll learn about quotient rule. Now what is a quotient rule? Let's say if I have y equals to u over v, and if I were to take the derivative of y, so dy over dx would have been the v squared, right, v squared v into the derivative of u subtracted u into the derivative of v. So this is our quotient rule, right? So this is used only when you have the function in the fraction form and you don't want to reduce it further, you don't want to simplify it further. Now all the rules, quotient rule, product rule and chain rule, they are for your convenience. Okay, there are only two ground rules in differentiation. First one is if x power n as d by dx, you'll get n into x n minus 1, and the other ground rule is d by dx of a constant k is 0. All the other rules are derived from these two. They are used for your convenience, right? Just like this quotient rule. So let's do an example. Let's say I have a function y equals to x cube plus 4x cube, this is x square, let's take this x square, plus 4x cube whole squared over 2x plus 4 whole cube. Now this is in the form of y equals to u over v, right? So I'm going to apply a quotient rule on this to derivate it. So now we know that y equals to, I'll have to square v two x plus 4, this is my v, cube squared, and v into the derivative of u. Now derivative of u will be, this is a function of function, so I'll apply chain rule on it, or I'll apply the statement which I've told you, that derivate with outer function into derivate without outer function. So this will give me 2 x cube plus 4x, this is x squared plus 4x cube into derivative of this thing. So that will give me 2x plus 12x squared. Alright, then moving on, I have to extend this line because this will be a long expression. Moving on, I have to do the derivative of v into u. So now derivative of v will be 3 2x plus 4 whole cube into 2 into u. Now u is x cube, x square, not x cube, I keep saying this is x cube, x square plus 4x cube squared. Alright, so this is our answer right here. What we have done is we applied the quotient rule, which was y equals to u over v, and dy over dx is v square, which is right here, v into derivative of u, this is v into derivative of u, u is the numerator, minus the numerator into the derivative of denominator, this is the numerator into the derivative of denominator. Alright, and both the numerator and denominator were composite functions, so when finding the derivative of each of these two, we applied the chain rule. Alright, So this is your final answer. And the denominator in this answer would be, this is squared, so this will be 6, right? 2 times 3 is 6, right? So your final answer will be, I'm going to write it all over again, 2x plus 4 cube into 2 into x squared plus 4x cube 2x plus 12x squared, right? Minus this thing, which is 3 into 2x plus 4 whole cube into 2 x squared plus 4x cube squared, this entire thing over 2x plus 4 power 6. This is d by dx, right? Did you get it? That's how you apply the chain rule. This is the chain rule right here. This is given in an exam. You don't have to learn it, but you have to understand it.